Hello guys, good evening. How is your day today? Hope all is well and good health always. Always remember health is wealth. Take good care of yourself. It's very cold here. The aircon is there. The temperature of the aircon is 5. That's why it's very cold. That's why I need to wear this. I wear it wrong side because this one is itchy in the skin. That's why I wear it wrong side. How is your day today? Me, this morning I was able to go walking around the palace with my friend Ate Mian. Afternoon, we have CG meeting with my CG group. After CG meeting, we go direct to the church to attend service and to volunteer in our church service. Saturday, 7:30 p.m. congregation. And today, I am the leader in our ushering team. My assistant is Hasmin. It's good. I feel good every time I serve in the church. I serve God through church in a simple way or in a small way. I can give things to God, to give some of my time to serve Him through the church. And thank you God for the opportunity that He has given me to serve Him, and to all the blessing, the unconditional love, provision, and protection, wisdom, and strength. Let's see, I need to rest. I feel sleepy because I won't be able to take a nap a while ago. I'll try to take a nap, but I won't be able to sleep. That's why I'm sleepy already. See? I hope I can sleep properly this time. Tonight. Good night and sweet dreams, guys. See you tomorrow. And happy weekend, everyone. Bye.